Hello, beautiful souls. How are you? I'm Himani. This is my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and it's affirmations for the month of July. So, for my new users, affirmations are positive thoughts which you can recite every day, at least 5 times a day, or you can, you know, put the paper in front of you, and whenever you feel like low you can read it. This will give you more positivity, and the positive thoughts will reach to universe, and your desires will be manifested. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new, and press the bell icon so that you will get more video notifications for all my new videos. Share this video with your family and friends so that they can enjoy these affirmation video. I will put down timeline of all the zodiac signs so you can check your affirmation and you can recite accordingly. Also, my social media handles will be there. You can reach out to me through Gmail ID. My Facebook page, my Instagram page will be there. So it's easy for you to reach out to me for any personalized guidance. My blog page will also be there, so you can read lot of motivation insights on my blog. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For Aries Mesh Rashi, the affirmation is, I have the power to create the life I want. I have the power to create the life I want. So you can recite this every day. All the best. Now let us move ahead to Taurus. Let's see the affirmation for July for Taurus. Okay. So Taurus, for you the affirmation is, I radiate kindness and I am free at all judgment, comparison and expectations. I radiate kindness and I am free at all judgment, comparison and expectations. So you are free from any judgments, comparisons and expectations. You only radiate kindness. All the best, Taurus. Chaliye, next affirmation. Let's see the affirmation for Gemini. Okay, so Gemini, for you the affirmation is, my body and my feelings are valid. My body and my feelings are valid. My body and my feelings are valid. So this is for you, Gemini affirmation. You can recite every day. All the best. Now let's pull the card for Cancer. Let's see the affirmation for Cancer. Okay, so Cancer, you have a very short affirmation, but it's a very profound meaning. I am complete. So complete in the sense you are complete in everything: success, happiness, joy. So you are altogether complete. All the best, Cancer. चलिए लियो पे चलते हैं. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू लियो. लियो, आपके लिए अफर्मेशन है, I am so much more than my mistakes. I am so much more than my mistakes. So all the best, Leo. So let us move ahead for Virgo. Virgo, आपके लिए अफर्मेशन है. Virgo, आपके लिए अफर्मेशन है, money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. ऑल द बेस्ट वर्गो. चलिए नेक्स्ट जोडियक साइन पे चलते हैं, लिब्रा. सो लिब्रा, फॉर यू द अफर्मेशन इज, आई एम इन चार्ज ऑफ माई ओन सेल्फ वर्थ. आई एम इन चार्ज ऑफ माई ओन सेल्फ वर्थ. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सेल्फ वर्थ इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो यू आर इन चार्ज ऑफ योर सेल्फ वर्थ. I am in charge of my self-worth, my own self-worth. I am in charge of my own self-worth. All the best, Libra. चलिए स्कॉर्पियो पे चलते हैं. लेट्स सी उनका अफर्मेशन क्या है. लेट मी पुल द कार्ड फॉर स्कॉर्पियो. स्कॉर्पियो, आपका अफर्मेशन है, when I fill myself up, my goodness overflows to the people I love. When I fill myself up, my goodness overflows to the people I love. Beautiful affirmation, Scorpio. Cherish it, recite it every day and see the difference that your goodness is filled up, and you are overflows to the people you love. So your goodness is for the people you love. All the best. Let us move ahead for Sagittarians. Let's see the affirmation. Okay, Sagittarians, for you the affirmation is standing up for myself, speaking up for myself, saying no when I need to is not hurtful, it's helpful. Standing up for myself, speaking up for myself, saying no when I need to is not hurtful, it's helpful. So it's how helpful for you to come out of the stress. You are standing for your rights, you speak for yourself, and people try to use you, so you say no when it is needed. So all the best, Sagittarians. Very beautiful affirmation. Now let us move ahead with Capricorn. So Capricorn, very beautiful affirmation. I use money in wise, fun ways. I use money in wise, fun ways. So you use your money wisely. This is very important. I use money in wise, fun ways. I use money fine in wise, fun ways. I use money in wise, fun ways. All the best, Capricorn. चलिए Aquarius की affirmation पे चलते हैं. So affirmation for Aquarius. I am stronger than any challenge, for I know that the universe has my back. I am stronger than any challenge, for I know that the universe has my back. So very beautiful. Universe has your back. So you are stronger than any challenges. So all the best, Aquarius. Keep this affirmation. You will definitely grow stronger. Now the last zodiac, Pisces. Let's see the affirmation. Okay, so Pisces, for you the affirmation is I am not perfect and that's okay. I am not perfect and that's okay. So you are imperfect, but this doesn't feel you inferior or anything, because you have this affirmation, I am not perfect and that's okay. So all the best, Pisces, and thank you so much for watching this. I hope these July affirmations will guide you and give you happiness and prosperity. Till then, take care. Bye bye.